What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over Matic, a little bit of Ethereum. We just hit our TP1 on our Matic trade, so I'll get into why I took that trade. We're sitting at 70 cents. We're up 0.18 on the day. Seeing market cap 7 billion. 24-hour volume 261 million. So we had a nice little trade. We already hit our TP1, pushing towards our TP2. So the couple of reasons why I took this trade. We're just going to pop over to the 15-minute just to give you an idea of how I trade. So first thing, we have a double bottom, came down and created a second bottom, and this wick, see this long red wick right here? That's a reversal wick. The bulls are pushing the price back up. The bears are losing strength. So there's your second confluence. Bullish divergences had crossed the 50 line. So as you can see, bullish D, RSI, money flow, and they had crossed the 50 line when I entered my trade. And we were just starting to get back above the 15-minute EMAs. So I thought the price action this week, honestly, I didn't like it at all. Sideways, choppy. I only took 3 trades all week, 2 wins, 1 loss. And yeah, so that's the reason why I took the trade, and it played out. You know, sometimes you'll have a double bottom, you'll have the reversal wick, you'll have the bullish divergence. It will still go the other way. So all you can do is trade based off probabilities. That's why I took it. So hopefully we can push up to TP2 if we get, you know, near it. Then I'll probably lock it in and finish with 2 wins and 1 loss on the week for our friend Matic. So if I pop over to this chart here, as you can see, it's very ugly, but it could be leading diagonal 1, 2, and then looking to push up, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Price could easily still just push up, get rejected, roll over, come back down to this trend line. That's very possible. But Ethereum, another reason why I took the trade is Ethereum started to push. And that's the reason why I entered Matic, because obviously Matic usually follows. And if we can push up from here for ETH, as you can see, we're also starting to break this neckline. Right here, this neckline is just being tested right now. So you have a little bit of a double bottom. It's a bit of a mess, but you can see that W in there. So if that were to break out, then you could see a nice push for ETH. Sorry, my nose is a little bit clogged. Up to 3940 if we see continuation, but of course you need Bitcoin to follow suit. BTC starting to push a little bit. So just really this sideways choppy for my trading strategy anyways. It's not ideal. That's why I didn't trade too much this week, but nice to end the week with a win on Matic. And I do think in the short term we could see continuation up. I don't know if we'll push all the way up to the trend line, but at least we're going to push up to this neckline of this double bottom. And if I zoom out, if we are to break that double bottom, we see a clear break of that neckline. That's when you can see a nice push that could take you all the way up to about 0.7342. So that's it for Matic. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, as you can see, there's the trade. We just hit the TP1, so we're looking to push up to TP2. I took a loss on Matic earlier in the week, and then we hit Sol. So 2 wins. Hopefully we hit that TP2. I think it would be about a 60% gain as well. 2 wins, 1 loss this week. The last 4 weeks in a row we've won, not only with crypto, but absolutely slaying Forex. I've been absolutely crushing it, making a lot of money trading Forex. It's free, guys. I don't charge for my signals. If you want to get completely free access, all you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN. All around the world, including North America. Make your first deposit. It can be $10, $100, doesn't matter. Send me an email, I'll give you free access. If you do not want to sign up to Bitfinex, you're already using a different exchange, you can sign up through the Patreon. It's only $10 a month. All links down below. We have some member profits here. Oh, okay, traded Turbo, nice. Give him a check. I have some Turbo in my spot. It's a meme coin. I think it's gonna do well. It's been moving like crazy. All right, guys, that's it for Matic. Subscribe if you're new. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex to gain access for the trade signals. Completely for free. All links down below. Smash up that like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.